And here's another view of All Souls College, founded in 1438 by Archbishop Chichele. All Souls, to commemorate the dead, the departed of the 100 Years' War we were currently engaged in with the rest of Europe. And if you look at it, it looks symmetrical, doesn't it? On the far side is the chapel. On this side, although it looks like a chapel, it is in fact the library. And it was the architect Nicholas Hawksmoor who, nearly 300 years after the foundation of the college, was invited to extend, and very cleverly he copied the facade so it looks symmetrical. It looks as if it's been there since 1438. But this side, the nearest to us, is a modern construct. Modern, of course, is a relative term in Oxford. This and other tidbits only available on the real live virtual walking tour of Oxford.